Mr. Granari Thanku, the elder brother of slain surrendered HNLC militant Chesterfield Thanku, strongly disapproved the killing of their brother by Meghalaya police in the wee hours today. Granari Thanku alleged that the police forcibly entered into the house and in the ensuing commotion, Chesterfield Thanku was shot. He also refuted the police's statement that their brother was killed in an encounter. He said his brother was a kidney patient who could hardly stand. Therefore, how could he have fought against the police? The police raid during the wee hours was intentionally done to eliminate Chesterfield Thanku, he said, adding that the police should have come during the daytime if their intentions had been for the good.
Witri veterinary, witri pak security tiba patah. Kem dan kilashu mentah ni, lam kilas syarat titik badan seperti ini. Dan bagi kilas syarat lang ngintip tu. Tipi yung atla pun pelaju luar ki ngintip, mau nak dah. Anggum tak ngintip. Jadi so cunga tak kalau kemni lah kita harai ikan nuru subah. I badan behiya, beli kemuan misngi. Beli dalam kemuan citeng senya. Kini pre-plan. This is pre-plan. They just want to eliminate him. This is pre-plan. Ngatang melaban tolerate kan ni. Pergi badan bor, kini lek ke baman, ni badan bor kini partai di joki. Ni menton ni partai. Ini melu ni. Ni menton power tengi. Tang badan power mungkin kini yak ke baman kini business ke baman. Ni badan power business melong. Kilong kita kiri. Idan behiyat idan kidneys problem bapli. Kani ka power last year, kijar last year. Kita mau jengkir rumah, habis ski. Kidneys problem, kani ka ktir ba kedia. Kidneys problem idan. Itang susangi dawai tang asirnya le chabar mlasho. Sangi dawai tang asir, tang admit. Mestap mla chabar sho. La 3 kidneys. Ti kin kena oleh pejabat farkam sehat. Ada kidan kam tu kelingim khangwan, keli apa sai. Kamera besar. Mendai bermacam seni yang tu. Buat je kinong hidrak su ngatain pasiat. Buat kinong penyak beriung ngatain pasiat. Buat je smuggler ngatain pasiat. Beli dalam kabel siat ini. Kini bagi kuat eliminate ini. Nak kini setelah pertai. Penduk jai. Ngam ngait je tate. Ngam ngait je lele. Ngam ngait. Lah supreme. Ngam ngait. Ngam menjudan tiar. Kata ngilai penduk menjudan tiar. Ngam ngait je. Lah supreme. Lai beje dua lai tam im tu. Entah. Pokok yang dom tak matang gemtahi lah soal sulai nak tengok usum na. Yang tang intip.